In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make relaxing eucalyptus bath salts. With mineral-rich salts and fresh eucalyptus, you can create a relaxing spa-style soak at home. Let's get started. First, add all of your salts into a large mixing bowl. Use a blend of 300 grams Epsom salt, 150 grams Dead Sea salt and 50 grams Himalayan salt. Stir everything together thoroughly until the texture and colour look completely even throughout the mixture. Next, it's time to incorporate the fragrance. Using a pipette, incorporate 10 to 15 drops of eucalyptus essential oil and 5 to 8 drops of peppermint essential oil. Blend in using your hands until the oils and salt is blended together. Once the scent is fully blended through, you can customize your bath salts with optional extras. Gently fold in dried botanicals, petals, or colorants if desired. A small amount goes a long way, especially if you want a clean, elevated spa-style appearance. Now your bath salts are ready to package. Transfer the mixture into airtight jars or pouches to help maintain freshness, fragrance, and overall product quality. And that's it. Your relaxing eucalyptus bath salts are complete, perfect for gifting, self-care evenings, or creating a calming spa experience at home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for toiletry making inspiration.